Hi,
Who is Juwels LeGardi?
I'm a couturier and that's my fashion line.
What is it like to have your first fashion show on the
A
runway?
lot of adrenaline.
What opportunity you would like to have since you're starting out in the fashion industry again?
Grow and do what I love.
What inspired you?
Nature.
What is the best compliment you ever received?
Wow, how did you do this?
That's very true. A lot of us wondering the same thing. Who is your fashion icon?
Morgan Freeman.
Oh, why?
Sophisticated.
What's something you notice about someone when you first meet them?
Colors.
Color. That's beautiful. What is your guilty pleasure?
Chocolate.
What one thing people do not know about you?
Phobia. Leave it at that.
What is the best piece of advice you ever had?
Get up, dust off, and keep going.
Alright, so now we're going to the word association. Chocolate,
Taste.
creative,
Art.
catwalk,
Models.
glamorous,
Fashion.
wine.
Non-drinker.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.